How to fix Windows 11 not working after update. To fix Windows 11 not working after update, try 1. Restart your PC. 2. Remove the most recently installed update. 3. Pause Windows Automatic Update. 4. Reinstall the update, later. 5. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 6. Disable your third-party antivirus software. 7. Scan for potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 8. Run DISM as admin. Command, DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health. And run system file checker, admin mode, later. 9. Run Windows Clean Boot. 10. Reset Windows 11. 11. Perform a clean installation of Windows 11.